Hmm. Okay, so kasi may nakita to, what is your percentage of your similarity? Your team P, right? Okay, as I see. Okay. How about this one? Okay na ko? Wala nang problema. Okay. Karon, okay na? Di pa Japon. Okay. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me clearly? Okay. Okay, so let me know if you cannot my voice is choppy or you cannot hear me clearly. So I can adjust. Because I guess the day is cloudy. So that is why we have a limited connection here in Tayasan. So that is why there is a problem with my connection. Okay, so as I see here on your similarity report, you have a 68% similarity. Did you see the report I posted on Facebook? Okay, so you since you know that you have made that one, you're already familiar why there is a similarity. So a similarity checker will check your work if your work has have a similarity in other authors posted in the internet. So muna makita dito. Okay, so unsa tong button ana first? I want you to minimize copying text or quotes or some of the ideas from the internet to your work, okay, for you to minimize the similarity. Okay, so di po siya pwede you can copy and paste, di po siya makita. Dili siya pwede because it can be detected also. Okay, so I am seeing your voice. I seeing your voice now. As I hearing your voice, murag na yung mga background noises, mga manok. Can you mute your mic for me to concentrate? Okay. Okay, so going back to the similarity report that I gave you, I only allowed only 0 to 10% similarity. So when 0 to 10% similarity, what? Hello? Okay. So similarity report. So going back to the similarity report. So I want you to craft your proposal with a threshold of 0 to 10%. 0 to 10%. Okay? Palihog lang ko. To 0 to 10% of your similarity. Okay, so right now you have 68, right? 68 percent similarity. So we will jump into your proposal and let us reconcile your ideas. So first is I will be sharing my screen to you guys for you to read also what I am seeing. Okay. So who submitted on the proposal? What email did you use? Melissa, no. email? Melissa, project manager. Okay, let us. Can you see my screen already? Can you see? Okay. So this is the email that you've used. This is the file on the screen that we are going to check right now. Okay. Okay, if you want to talk, Teves and Amada, you can unmute the mic. I mute your mic. It's very noisy for us to concentrate with your proposal. So basically, what is this proposal is all about? Can you talk about Melissa or other in the group can share what is this all about? Okay. It's a healthcare system. And where? What healthcare system? Oh, are you asking me or you are just telling? Because tono mo, wala mo question mark. What is this all about? What is about healthcare system? What is the organization you'll be helping on this kind of system that you're going to propose? Let me know the ideas behind this one. Do not tell me about the title. Your idea. Anybody in the group can share what is this all about? What is the problem that you are going to solve? And based on this one, you have already copy and paste it on the from the internet. So that is why the idea is very vague and it's not clear what is the problem that you are going to solve, and also what will be our solution or that particular problem. Wala mo kasi particular problem that I see on your proposal. Let me know what is this all about for us to really understand. Excuse me, siya nanawag. Hello? Hello? Insan eh?
Yan, panayadera eh.
Pwede sa mo tawag nung gagamit ko suban yung grupo dong. Pwede mo tawag raw niya after
Sorry, sir.
alauna?
Sige, sige.
Okay.
Sige, sir.
Okay. So to, any other idea? You're writing a proposal that you didn't know what is you're going to do. Let me know. O may kukasabot ko sa inyo unang title, how can I know another proposal? First is this one. I want to know what is really about the healthcare system that you are talking about. For us to really someone is talking. Jovit, are you talking? So what particular, did you go already to the hospital, district hospital of Bay City and gain understanding from their work? Kung sa inyo ang problem, how you were going to solve their particular problem? The healthcare system is very vague and there are many areas to be considered. Yung healthcare system, tanan na. So did you already meet as a group? Did you already talk about it? Why is it that there? Why is it being submitted na wala pa siya na ayo og talk to with the group? Okay, so what would what na okay, what particular clinic? Yes, because you have to go to the clinic where there is a real problem and what kind of problem that you are going to solve in our special or what called specialization or field as an IT. Doctor, not necessarily but survey, but you have to really go and observe what they're talking, they're working on it. It is because you cannot see the problem if you are just merely talking about the things that you're going to do. Okay, in research mo good, you have to really observe and survey. Now you don't need not to survey because of the pandemic that we are right now. So it's very impossible for us to have a survey. So that is why we have to go to the particular organization and just ask some information that do you really need. For example, if you are going to propose a health clinic management system for that particular organization or clinic, you have to go there and really find out if there is a problem in accordance with their work in record management system. You have to find it out so that the particular problem, you should have a particular solution. Because if you just state here, just create a proposal without knowing the real problem in the organization or their clinic, probably you are working with just a mere wala arag yun because of you are not being realistic. So I want you to do what I am you talk about ganihais manangkil. Asa na dapitan na manangkil sa Baes? Is it so ko ka mo pilot Go. I want you to talk as a group. Probably karon is the time to talk with you. Is it okay with the three of you, the other members of the group, that you have to select Dr. Manangkil's clinic for what kind of system that you're going to propose? So, unsa man, okay ra ba mo? You have to go. Is it possible? Job, si Amada, where, from where at you? So, you are from Pamplona, and then, Melissa, are you from? Jobet. Oh. So, si Tevez may taga-Bais. Okay, I see. Probably you can have because the number of cases are rising. Pwede naman siguro na they have if you can seek information from the internet about Manangkil's clinic, probably you can talk naman, get a contact number from any of the staff, and probably you can ask lang through phone. Pwede lang through phone. Pero if there is no other way, Jude, just to meet them, to ask them personally, there would be one person of your group or team will go there to ask. If hindi mo siya pwede, you have to go on your sa inyong organization without koan. To gani. All of you will go. So the problem is di po sudlan because they also observing minimum health requirement. So is it so the first step you are going to do is to ask contact number sa ilang clinic, or you can talk to on call ba, or you can ask them to just tell that you are a graduate student in IT. You can share them your load slip. You can also include me. You can pwede po niyo ihatag you can give to them my contact number for them to verify good na. So, ano na lang, I want you to think about it. So, kung naselect ninyo the organization is si Manangkil, and some of you observe that they are using manual, then we cannot really formulate a proposal. What system that we're going to create? Record management system ba siya? Management system ba siya? Or information management system ba siya, MIS, management information system, or information system lang, because it depends on the problem that you are solving in their manual way of doing their work. So makita ninyo, for example, manual ra ba ang ilang klaseng manual dito? Manual ba ilang appointment, or unsa man ang ilang resibo, manual ra pod. So we don't really know what is the problem that really they are facing. So kung makita ninyo that more on the record, then the proposal will be record management system. You get it? You get my point? We cannot tell. So for example, if you are going to talk to them, mingon lang yun mo na we are an IT students from Norsubais. As a graduate students, we are having a Capstone project. Then your clinic as our team, select as our team, we select your clinic as our respondent. So hopefully, since ingon ra mo na, we observe that you have a manual way of doing your work. So pwede bang mo-ask mo what are the problems they are encountered when they are having manual unsa man, manual recording of data of the patients, tanan makuta na lang mo, then you record everything, then after that you can visualize what is really the problem, and what is really the problem, and probably you can formulate plan and design. So you can talk about it, and then maybe you can also include to me your meeting for me to also to input so to suggest what kind of system that you are going to propose. Then after, you will go back to them and you are going to tell them that this is your proposal based on the things that they mentioned about their problem. Probably this is the solution. That is the time that you are going to craft your chapter 1. So because we cannot craft your proposal if we don't have a real organizations to be selected and to work with. We cannot as I see in your work, naglisod mo og trabaho, it is because naglisod mo kung say problema na inyo solbaron. 'Di ba? So munang you just go to the internet and just copy. So kana lang, simple lang nato, na dili lang po maglisod, especially right now we are working in our homes. So probably that is the good idea siguro to really go to the clinic and ask their problems, and later on we can have the proposal. Is it okay with you guys about that? So regular meeting of the members of the group is very important, so that you are really tracking what is really lacking and what you have to do. So kinanglan na to na. Okay. So I am expecting na I expect ano lang. So it just probably you can include me. Okay, you can contact me, guys, to my contact for my cell phone number. So contact lang me. I will just, you already know my number, right? I give it away. Mora man ako number ako. So you can contact me. Let me know unsa di mga progress ninyo for me to help you guys. And then just record everything na madto mo dito sa healthcare for you to formulate a good proposal, kay malimot niya mo sa ilang ipangsulti. Probably you can just record, for example, where they are talking, just ask them a permission to or just probably you can do it just not with our permission, yung record sa yung cellphone, padol-dol ra mo gamay, then uban pod you're just taking down notes. Pero ang formal kita na, you can ask them to while we are asking you questions, ma'am and sir, or sabi na doc, can we record our conversation for us to review it later on. So anaon lang na to for you to have a reference for crafting your proposal. So crafting a proposal for chapter 1 is very easy if you really know what is the problem. Because since we don't need na to read about this thing because it's very waste of time. So once you have crafted it, please na lang remind me inverted triangle or panel. So inverted nari manok ron matular na ni ron. Try. Okay, so ini connection panel okay, panel approach or panel diagram. Okay, can you see you have already see a panel or a imbudo? Okay, as you see on the screen, there is what we call kabantay mo from ang funnel gikan sa pinakadako patubang sa gamay para masulod jud siya ang unsay mo, for example og tuba butang nimo sa lain sudanan di para nimo usik gamit ka og usually mo man gamit sa imbudo butang sa tuba sa gasolina, anything that liquids that you are going to transfer to any storage. So like in your crafting your proposal, as you can see there, the pinakauna is taas, pinakadako, dako gamay, nagkagamay, hangtod na dyan mo gamay siya. So, in crafting your project context very important, guys. It is because that is the summary of the things that you are going to do in your proposal. So, first thing, the first page, kanang pinakadako gyud kana sa kanang, for example, awareness ato nang i-replace into i-replace na siya og general overview. So you are going to talk about the for example, since you already know what kind of system that you are going to propose, for example, that is a record management system, then talk about record management system. What is a record management system? What are the things that solve that kind of system, or the things that, for example, the technology that helps or impacted record management system. Just talk it in general. Then second paragraph also will talk about the organization. For example, the Manangkil system. It is, for example, we call it a common clinic in Bay City where most of the just talk about merely what is Manangkil clinic. Then the third paragraph nakagamay na kita, you are talking about their problems, what they observe, what the staff is really been doing, unsa man indahang mga do every day, and what will the hassle if they will continue working with record management system. Then the next paragraph, you will going to probably share your insights, probably that will be your solution to help their problem. So mingon kayo sa last paragraph na the researcher propose to create a system to solve their foregoing problem. Diba? So from general to specific, you're telling the reader that you're in the direction where from the problem to the solution. So inana siya. So without going to the particular organization, you cannot craft a good project context. So nasabtan naman siguro tong project context, how you're going to craft it. Okay, it is because pag purpose and description, it's very easy. You are going to narrate what is the purpose. So the problems, do not talk more about the things that you're going to do on the project context. Just talk less on there and more on the project of the purpose. What are the purpose that you are? What is the purpose of the proposal? You state and narrate everything on the purpose of the description. Then the objectives of your study, just limit 3 objectives. The 3 main problems of the organization. Example, to develop a system of Manangkil to easy tracking, easy recording of blah blah blah. Then to help the staff in managing blah blah blah. So just pick the 3 most important problem that you're going to solve and just give it a objective. Ano yung mga objective? Pag-abot sa scope and limitation are the functions of the system, of the proposed system. Functions. That is why, what are the functions? So, the system will record, blah, blah, blah. Imo na inarate, kinanaman tayo plano sa imong buhaton based on our foregoing observation what you're going to do to create a system to solve that particular problem. So, nana kay murag plano. So, you narrate it. O, ano sa'yo yung function. So, the user will click on that, blah, 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 to print sample receipt, anana. So, yung siya explain what are the user's capability or the system's capability. Functionality of the system. Scope. Yung limitation still functions that doesn't the system cannot do. For example, the system cannot be used when there is a blackout. Okay. There is only two main users of the system, only the admin and the user or the staff. Inana lang ninyo ibutang. Only the functionalities. So scope and limitations is only functionalities. The scope the systems can do, and limitation is the system cannot do. Ano lang. So basically, simple na dyan ang chapter 1 proposal, pero you have to go to the organization for you to really understand what is the problem that you're going to solve. Nakuha rin nyo, kopya. Okay, so I will cut it off early, and I want you to, since you have the opportunity to talk with you guys in your group, I want you to talk and settle things that you have to settle, and let me know if you want help for me, if you want to if the time that you want to talk with the management, for example, that they really give you the schedule to talk through the phone or probably on the internet. Hopefully that you can invite them for a meeting like this using Google Meet, for me also to join, for you to not really have a burden of to call it burden on of telling them who really is used, because I have your backup. Okay, sa Trophone, okay report, pero let them probably invite the staff or the Dr. Manangkil for that webinar or a meeting like this using Google Meet for me to join. Okay. Any questions and clarifications? Yep. Oy, that is not. I don't know already now, because the things that really the putting right now is only the team. The first place I already know. I already just give you the form for you to fill up what is your groups. So I have now the power. So if you think talk about that one, you just settle it first as a group, so team level, and then whatever your result of your conversation or your discussion, let me know. Yes, cooperation, and importante lang, your goal is to graduate, or we cannot graduate if you don't have. Okay, so if there is another concerns like that, you have to talk. So I will just leave it earlier for you to talk, since you have the opportunity to talk right now. So talk right now na lang for you to settle some of the matters that you are going to take. Okay? Any other questions? Yes, I already recorded it. So probably the video will be available this evening, because I have to render it and upload it to YouTube. So I will just notify you that the video is already published. Okay, you're welcome. So any other concerns? Manilio Amada, Jovit, any other concerns? Okay, so talk right now, I will just leave it early. So thank you for joining. I hope that you were going to talk or after I am out. So keep safe, everyone. Hopefully you will you will do something to make your group better. Okay? Bye bye. God bless. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.